Briggs & Stratton service team understands that your top priority is taking care of your customers' needs. It's with that thought in mind today that we're going to talk about replacing engines, commonly referred to as repowering. So let's start out with why repower? Why would you want to replace an engine? Well, when one fails, I think we can all agree that there is some life that is left in that product. It can be repurposed and put out into the marketplace to produce some greater return for that individual's customer's needs. So by replacing the engine, you're extending the life of that product. So let's look at two scenarios when it comes to repowering. Scenario number one is you have a customer that I'm going to say has failed a motor for whatever reason and doesn't have the pocketbook to buy a new piece of equipment. His only option really is to replace the engine or repurpose the piece of equipment that he's using. And then scenario number two is where you, the dealer, have taken either on trade-in or maybe back on a lease a piece of equipment, and the engine isn't quite up to snuff. It may be blowing the blues, it may be a little tired, or it could have failed totally catastrophically. So in both scenarios, I think we can agree that there's a financial investment that you have to consider. In other words, it's a good, better, best scenario is the way we lay it out in some of our business solutions that we're going to talk about here later. But really what we're saying is the piece of equipment has a certain life left in it. And it may not be the life that will justify a 2,500-hour engine. It might be more where the pocketbook and the piece of equipment only justify, an engine of less stature, a 1,200-hour engine, a 1,500-hour engine. So with that in mind, we think at Briggs, we bring the widest available replacement engine offering of any manufacturer. We have product that is on the lower end of the spectrum all the way up to the Vanguard, with all the features that you're looking for, especially in a commercial environment, like cyclonic air filtration, which is standard on this commercial series mower we see here. 3-year warranty for the customer to assure him he's buying a quality piece of equipment. It's the same way on all our Vanguard product where we have cyclonic air filtration, the best debris management in the system is standard on all our Vanguard product.